In today's video, I'm going to teach you to view your American Express card PIN. We'll go through the process clearly and securely so you can access your PIN when you need it without any confusion. Start by opening the American Express mobile app on your phone or visit the official website in your browser. Make sure you're connected to a trusted network and that your app is up to date. Log into your account using your usual credentials or your device's biometric login if you have that set up. Having your card nearby can help since you'll need a couple of details in a moment. Once you're in, choose the specific card you want to check. If you have more than one card, take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct one. Look for the nickname or the last digit shown in your account. This helps avoid pulling up the wrong card details. Now, locate the option labeled View PIN or a similar wording under Card Management, Card Settings, or Security. The exact location can vary slightly between the app and the website, but it's typically within the card's management or security section. If you don't see it right away, expand the settings for that card and look for security-related options. When you tap or click View PIN, you'll be prompted to verify that it's really you. First, enter your 4-digit card security code, sometimes called the CVV. On American Express cards, this is the 4-digit number printed on the front of the card. This step helps confirm that you physically have the card in hand. Next, you may be asked to complete an extra identity check with a one-time password or OTP. This code will be sent to your registered phone number or email. Keep an eye on your messages and remember that OTPs expire quickly for security. If it doesn't arrive immediately, wait a few moments and check that your device has a good signal or that email notifications aren't filtered. After you enter the OTP correctly, your card PIN will be displayed securely on the screen. Take a moment to memorize it and avoid taking screenshots or writing it where others could see. When you're done, close the PIN view and sign out if you're on a shared device. That's all there is to it. Log in, pick your card, choose View PIN, verify with your CVV, complete the OTP, and your PIN will appear securely. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your PIN confidential and your account protected.